Avoid these 5 fatal mistakes can save you thousands of dollars. Don't chase fleeting trends like fidget spinners. 90% of dropshippers who jumped on that trend in 2022 lost money. Focus on niches with consistent demand, like home fitness, outdoor gear, or survival equipment. Don't skimp on suppliers. 60% of dropshippers who chose cheap suppliers faced 40% return rates due to poor product quality. Prioritize quality and reliability from trusted U.S. suppliers. Remember, your supplier reflects your brand. A whopping 80% of dropshipping websites fail to impress customers. Invest in a professional-looking website. High-quality images, clear product information, and a user-friendly design can increase your conversion rate by 20%. Don't limit yourself to Facebook ads. Only 50% of dropshippers leverage Google Ads and SEO. By investing in SEO, you can generate up to 60% of your website traffic organically. Free traffic. 75% of dropshippers fail to build a unique brand. Don't be a copycat. Establish your core values, craft a compelling brand story, and stand out from the competition. A strong brand can boost customer loyalty by 30%. Avoid these dropshipping disasters and you'll be on your way to success. Follow for more dropshipping hacks.